All right, quiz 2.02, reasoning part 1, example 3. Which answers are examples of inductive reasoning? Inductive means to be observed. So we have to select each correct answer, so that means there could be more than one. The temperature was above 85 every day for the past 4 days. The temperature will be above 85 today. So that's based on observations. So that could definitely be inductive reasoning. All even numbers are divisible by 2. 14 is an even number. 14 is divisible by 2. That's based on facts. That's deductive reasoning. The DVD rental box charges 50 cents fines each day a DVD is overdue. Javon is returning a DVD that is 4 days overdue. Therefore, he will pay a $2 fine. That is facts. Deductive reasoning. Ava saw, that's your keyword, saw that all black cats at the park were strays. So she went home thinking that all black cats are strays. That is inductive reasoning.